Hi, forgot to vlog today, so this is how the recovery looks like on day 8, and just quickly giving a little update. I am going out for supper with my friends for Beauty in a Pot, which doesn't have that much seafood, so that's good. I think the eyes are evening out quite a bit, so that's great. Hey guys, today is day 9 after my surgery. Yeah, today I actually came out to run some errands, so waiting for him to wake up, and then we're going inside my friend's place for a swim. Just let you guys have a look at the wounds in closer view. Everything is obviously still very swollen right now. The milk monster is awake. Wanna go inside and go swimming? Okay, alright, let's go.
Mama, go in.
I'm in already. Oh my god, it's so cold. Happy?
Yes. 32 or 24?
I tell you,
13.
the entire time he's swimming keeps testing me about mathematics. Don't want to go where?
Toilet. Because I don't want to pee.
So loud. So today is day 10 after surgery, and I'm back at Dr. Huang's clinic. Today we're going to be removing my ear stitches. This is the removal of the stitches on the ears. I don't know what's going on, but it's very loud. Because it's obviously happening in my ear. Easy to take out. Okay. Hey guys, today is day 11 of my surgery, and I'm doing a very awkward little vlogging session here at the hair salon. So I'm going to show you guys how everything looks like today. Here is a bit of a closer view. I started to put makeup. I'm still supposed to be putting on my tyramycin and everything on my wounds. Everything is looking pretty good. The right eye is a little bit more swollen than the left, but I feel that with makeup on, it's not super obvious, because when you apply eyeliner, you know, the space between the crease and the eyeliner gets lessened, and then sometimes it's like there's no crease at all. But that's okay, because like the Koreans love that kind of look. They don't like the very high eyelid crease thing going on, so that's a different kind of aesthetic, I guess. Hi everyone! So it's about 3 weeks after the surgery. Here I am right now. I think I'm more or less recovered. The eyelids are still a little bit swollen, but I feel that everything else has really healed up really well. I actually prefer the higher, like the so-called smaller eye, because the crease is a little bit thicker on the right side, and with eyeliner on there's still some space left, and I think that that's really nice. Of course the nose is like looking great. It definitely has de-swelled a little bit, so it looks more natural now. You want me out? This is not a freaking mosquito bite, okay? This is a pimple. Just to show you guys that I'm not plastic. I'm human. Look, I have a freaking pimple. Is Ma's ears injured anymore?
No.
Not injured already, yeah? You check. Injured or not injured?
Not injured.
Does it look nice now?
Yeah.
Is Ma pretty now?
Yeah.
Yes, ah. Hey, good morning guys. So it's I think exactly 1 month after my surgery today. I think that I am mostly recovered. Here I am with actual parallel eyelids, and the nose, I'm in love with it. I just remember when I was, maybe when I hit Sec 1, I would just sit in class, you know, and I have this like mirror, and I would just look at my nose and just think like, you know, I really don't like that fucking big thing in the middle of my face. It's not really a matter of like self-esteem or anything like that, because I think I was still pretty confident about myself. I liked myself a lot. I just, aesthetically speaking, I just don't really like that nose. I don't know why people like put so much they always love to just assume that anyone who does plastic surgery must hate their face or hate themselves. To me, it's just very simple. It's like you buy a house and then you just don't like one piece of the furniture and you're just gonna change it. It's not a big deal. You wouldn't say that somebody hates their house just because they don't like the lighting inside. You get what I mean? That's just another way of looking at things. I knew since I was 13 years old that I was eventually gonna get a nose job. When I was 21, I saw an opportunity for it because I had my TV show Girls Out Loud. I got sponsored a nose job, so I was really happy and I went to do it. But it wasn't like perfect, and I didn't expect it to be, because the starting point was so bad. If you already have a cute nose that just isn't so high, then you can simply just put a nose implant. But for me, it was not only flat, it was big, and it was loop-sided as well. That's why it's a little bit challenging for my nose. This is the the second revision, and aka the third time I operated on my nose, and I just really think it looks like freaking perfect right now. I don't want to change anything about it. I'm very happy with my face. A lot of you have asked the question of, well, what else are you going to do next? The reason why I haven't touched the rest of my face is that I feel like there are certain things that just cannot be changed, and if it cannot be changed, then I will either just put makeup or try to, you know, like take photos in more flattering angles. For example, one thing I don't really like about my face right now is that it's too long, and that's why people always say I look a bit like a horse. The distance between the nose and the lips is a little bit too long. If I do this, it really looks like my face is very long, but if I, like, you know, go down like that, then I guess the proportion looks like it's better. If I go adjust my jawline like a lot of people do in like Korea, I guess they just break their jaw and like make it more V-line, I think that my mouth will be too low. Unless you move your mouth as well, then yeah, I can't just move this whole area up, you know. It's not like I have a lot of space here, it's that this entire area is just a little bit long. And one possible surgery is to actually cut this area. So you cut beneath your nose and you take out a little slice of meat, and then you sew it back up so that your lips get like go closer, I guess. That would mean that a lot of my teeth are like showing. I feel like you have to adjust your teeth up as well if you want to do that. I also think that my forehead is a little bit too narrow. I would like a more rounded forehead, which is what most people do when they do plastic surgery. They put fat grafting on their forehead. I think that I just have a lot of like little baby hairs here, so it makes my forehead look even more narrow, but never mind, I use fringe to cover. I just want to stress that, you know, I think a lot of people don't approve of plastic surgery because they think about the teens who are unhappy with their face and wanting to change everything, and they think that it's a disease. But I don't think it's true. I think a lot of people just are unhappy with maybe one area. Maybe they have very small eyes, or like they have very sleepy looking eyes, or maybe like me, they think that their nose is too big. There are a lot of sane people in the world who do plastic surgery and they know when to stop, and they don't hate themselves, and they feel more confident and more happy after that. And I think as long as it's safe and you go to a reputable surgeon, there's really nothing wrong with surgery. I just think that once you actually tried plastic surgery, you will start to realize that, hey, it's really not a big deal. One of the most important things to know when you're going through surgery is you have to be mentally prepared after that you're not completely natural anymore. And I don't think people should hide that they did plastic surgery, because I think it's really bad for your psyche to always be lying. Like, it's so obvious when you did plastic surgery. If people catch you lying, then they will spread rumors about you, and it's not nice. Yeah, so I just think that is something to take note of. Hey guys, so it's about 1.5 months since I finished my surgery. So I just want to show you guys how everything looks like kind of without makeup. And yeah, so this is me kind of like bare face. Okay, a bit of concealer on my pimples, but that's about it. The eyes are like mostly healed now. They are quite even, I would say, and you can still see some of the scars, I think, but I think that's pretty normal. They will go down more because right now they are still a little bit like itchy and a little bit swollen, so I think they're not fully recovered yet. Overall, I'm really happy with the results because I think I did end up with parallel eyelids. The lines are like kind of parallel now instead of versus in the past it was like this. The nose have healed remarkably well. I will show you guys the final picture of how everything kind of looks like with makeup as well, so you can have a view of with and without makeup. I just finished filming 2 episodes for my YouTube channel, so I have my makeup on right now. Promise to show you guys how the recovery kind of looks like with makeup on. I am very pleased with the results. You can definitely tell that there's like a parallel eyelids going on, and I think it just looks really good. So I'm very pleased with how everything turned out. And with that, I'm just going to end this plastic surgery recovery vlog part 2. I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Bye.